Hi fairies and welcome back to my channel. It's Laurasia Andrea and I am finally giving y'all a life update, but in like a makeup story time type of way, so you guys are a little bit entertained as well as getting all the info, all the tea of what's been happening in my real life for the past like 2 years from social media. So yes, I haven't been on social media for 2 years like that, but I have been posting on YouTube when I can, when I'm feeling good, when I'm feeling healthy, while also looking a little bit in the behind the scenes of kind of things I've been recording along the way. I've been outside, y'all, just not outside on social media. I'm also going to be talking about a little bit of steps I use to reinvent myself. I am me. I am forever going to be me at the end of the day, but just little things that I wanted to upgrade kind of and just be the best that I can possibly be. And maybe a few of these tips that I use, you guys will be able to use in your own experience or in your own life just to elevate you guys and help you in 2023. Now, the first thing I did over these past couple of years was just isolate myself. I wanted to start learning who I was, just literally become the person that I always envisioned myself to be when I was like in my early 20s, high school, even middle school. I wanted to figure out my likes, my dislikes, and just really find out my true personality and not just what I'm quote unquote trying to be, because I'm seeing other people do it. I'm seeing other people like it. I'm seeing other people not like things or just have a certain type of personality. I'm just like, you know what? Nah, I'm going to find out who I am truly. And also let's elevate some things that I was seeing that it was like, yo, Laura, like you can be better. You can do better. You can react better. You can say things in a better way. I was just trying to understand the person that I was at the moment. I also was just experimenting and just figuring out what type of people, friends, energy, vibes, signs that I wanted around me, because it got to a point where I was just done having expectations for people. Okay. Every single time I'll expect something from somebody because I'm giving out that same energy, it will always backfire on me to the point where I just decided to just start lowering my expectations from others and just accepting people and who they are, how they are, and just stop taking things so personally, because I am an Aquarius. Okay. I hold grudges. You do something to me, Girla, best believe I am remembering that until the day I die. But the moment I just took a step back and just understood myself, understood how I am as a person, it was a lot easier for me to figure out the type of people and vibes and all that stuff that I wanted around me that best suits my type of personality. Because if certain people are not for you, that is fine. That is okay. That is not an issue. It's just not for me. Okay. You do you, boo boo. I'll do me, and everything is fine. I also got to a point where you guys saw me stop posting that much on YouTube, and that's really because I wanted to take a step back from just being in the limelight, being in the spotlight, just kind of being the face of my own brand and work behind the scenes. Taking a step back just really helped me decide what type of career I wanted, what path I wanted to go on for my new channel, what I really wanted to start displaying for you guys, being more open, being more vulnerable, being able to have talking videos like this one, and just showcasing my true self and my true personality. Because listen, I'm amazing. Okay. This personality is so awesome that it's no reason why I should not be sharing it for the world. And that just goes right into having a different mindset change in the way I look at things and how I just want to get through life. Okay. And one thing I have learned just in my 20s and my early 30s, I'm about to be 31 in a couple of weeks. Okay. January 24th, Aquarius vibes. But one thing I've literally learned is as I got older, I learned that it is okay to be selfish. It is okay to worry about yourself, put yourself first, because at the end of the day, girl, no one else is going to put you first because they're all worried about themselves. So if everyone else is worried about themselves, why am I worried about everybody else? Okay. I need to be focusing on myself. I need to be focusing on my own health. I need to be focusing on my own happiness. That's when I realized that social media is not what I thought it was. I imagined myself when I first came on social media that it had a whole different look of what I saw from the outside, okay? Because it consumes you, it sucks you in, it makes makes you not even realize that you are kind of, sort of living for other people instead of living for your own self. So I decided, look, I am going to step away from social media for as long as I need to, okay? It just so happened to be 2 years, but listen, I don't take it back. I don't regret it. It was the best decision ever of my life because the person that I am today, ooh, girl, I am a whole new Laurasia, okay? And not to the point where I'm a new Laurasia, new me, new year, new vibes. No, I'm still the same person, but my real, true personality has finally came out. After I started learning myself and accepting myself and just start to mentally become the person that I wanted to be, I wanted to play that role on the outside of me and just come up with new habits and new routines that were going to pertain to my self-care. I am not going to lie. I have never been this consumed with myself, and not in a conceited way, y'all. Consumed to yourself and taking care of yourself and learning who you are and accepting who you are and learning the things that makes you happy, things that makes you stress-free, things that put you in a good mood, things that you enjoy is not a bad thing. We need to learn to start putting ourselves first. We need to learn to have these type of habits anyway. And some things that I have learned is having mandatory routines is what gets me by in life. It gets me through my day to day. It gets me through my weeks and my months. And it also helps me achieve the goals that I set for myself in a new year to be able to accomplish these goals by year end. And I can say I have been in this whole new mindset for the past 2 years to where every single year I have been meeting every single goal that I set. And that is really because I am taking care of myself. I'm eating healthier. I have a financial budget. I have a financial routine, having my workout routine, taking my vitamins, my supplements, and my medications, and also just being very consistent with my doctor's appointments because you guys know I have PCOS. That has completely changed my life. I'm not gonna lie, kind of sort of for the better, for real. I definitely think it was meant for me to go through everything I went through within the past years because it has made me so conditioned, so organized, so serious about my life. And I'm going to be talking about my updated PCOS later on in the videos to come. So definitely make sure you guys stay tuned for that. And the last thing that I have implemented into my new lifestyle is being kind to myself, learning that it is okay to make mistakes. It's all about taking accountability. You can forgive yourself, okay? Despite if anyone else is ever going to forgive you, you can forgive yourself and pat yourself on the back and be your own cheerleader and even pick yourself up because you know yourself better than anyone. You trust yourself. You know how to make your own decisions. You love yourself and you're just staying true to you and who you are. There is no such thing as new year, new me, okay? That is not a thing. It's new year, new growth. We are staying true to ourselves, staying true to who we are, and just reinventing ourselves every single year to become the best version of who we are. That is the end of the video, you guys. Thank you guys so much for listening to me. I can't wait to see you guys in my next one, and make sure you guys stay tuned for my visual diary of 2022, and can't wait to see you guys in my next one. Bye guys, love you.
Yeah, wait. Just wait. They claim they want beef like I ain't in a teed up. I turn them to vegan. I'm really a creature. She sent me the beacon. I beat it and flee it. They talk like these niggas won't beat me. They can't. I'm somewhere tucked off. I'm laid in the shade and I'm counting mine. Still ain't made it. I'm jaded. My latest, my greatest. I ain't ever caving. They see me. I'm him. I'm a gym in the soil. It's about the time. I've been after mine. I'm one with the culture. They more like a gimmick. I'm pushing the needle. I'm leaving the key in. It's running no meter. I want me a foreign. I need them to see me. Yeah, I know it's my season. My family the reason I be who I'm being. Solid. Lately I pushing the needle forward to the people that knew me and traded sides. I'm up now, don't hit me to make it right. I'm at a dole, I've been taking mines. Get scared of the heights that I'm reaching for. Don't even know what you're reaching towards. Don't even know what you're reaching for. I really went from wearing rags on me to his racks on me. First class, they ain't got a pat on me. Let the chain dangle, bitch, I'm raiding the mainframe. Turn my pain into paint on the canvas. I been a head case, Ben Frank on the rat, I get Ben Franklin. Burn 2 ends of the candle. Wanna be the first one, get rich in my family. They don't understand me, I used to be nice guy. Till the world told me cold, now my guard up, I'm far. Don't trust nobody, now she never did want me. She talking real naughty now. I ain't sorry, been slept on, they groggy. I'm really bout it, I'm off the cloud in it. I'm real rowdy, I'm going off, had no chances. I do not answer to anybody. Amped up, put my stamp on the canvas, I'm ramped up. Me, my dog, just pretend I do this for life. They just pose for the camera, they scrambling, they not me, they rambling. I want me a mansion, I know it's my season, I'm go to the stanza. I'm somewhere tucked off, I'm late in the shade and I'm counting mine. Still ain't made it, I'm jaded, my latest, my greatest. I'm solid. Lately I pushing the needle forward to the people that knew me and traded sides. I'm up now, don't hit me to make it right. I'm at it, dole, I've been taking mines. Get scared of the heights that I'm reaching for. Don't even know what you're reaching towards. Don't even know what you're reaching for. They loud in their feelings, they barking these riddles. Already told you, won't find no one realer. I go from me cool to the top of your list. Turn this to a crib and a whip with a tint on it. Phone been on silent, I been on my shit. Whole globe on the fritz, I ball up my fist. Part of my glitz, stick a part of me sick with it like it's 06. Going dumb in the sticks on a bitch real quick. Fresh when I dress, take a look at my stitch. Think I lost my sense. Wood to the neck, I've been acting real different. Know I'm at your neck, I won't loosen my grip. Out in that stress, take a toll on my I've been on deck, let me save my peace, let me talk my Look, I'm so red at the flare, make you squint. I've been on edge, I've been living too quick. I can't get to sleep, knowing it's all in my reach. Know I've been living too fast. Look in my eyes and don't blink.
Promise I ain't ever traded sides. Know that I'm not out here living right.
Crazy that we made it through.
Pray that you find what you're looking for.
Don't shrink for all the people that you're leaving behind. Grow because there are people who are waiting on you.